guys.
What's up, bro?
How's it going, bro?
Everything is good, bro.
Yeah.
What about you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Same. By the way, I wanna buy some food. Do you guys want some?
Sure, why not? Yes, I'm hungry now.
I'm tired of walking. Can you lend me your motorcycle?
Yes, you can.
Okay. Thanks, dude.
Yeah.
Yes, for you. Take
Thanks,
this.
bro. Thanks, bro.
Okay, you're welcome. Have you guys do the homework?
No, I have not. Yes, I do. How about you?
I have done half of it.
Bruh. Bruh, 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 bruh.
Bro, what are you doing right there? I'm throwing a trash. Don't do that, bro. It's a bad habit.
Did you know throwing a trash in sewer can cause flood? I don't care. I'm doing whatever I want.
We already told you. Let's see what will happen next.
Welcome back to Dupat News. Our main headline news is flood hits 54 areas throughout the capital city on Tuesday, disrupting traffic and the operation of public transportation. The National Disaster Mitigation Agency report that thousands of houses were inundated by floodwater, ranging from 10 centimeters to 1500 centimeters. Floods occur because clogging the drainage system cannot accommodate the overflowing water. The government, King Syawaladi, said 54 areas were located in South Jakarta, East Jakarta, and North Jakarta.